Hi everyone. Today we're making a quick and easy version of the famous dessert that went viral all around the world. A crunchy chocolate cake that you can make in just 5 minutes. It's super fast, very simple, and anyone can make it at home right now. Let's start with the cake. In a large mug, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients until everything is well combined. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can also add a few drops of vanilla extract or essence. This is totally optional, but it gives a little extra flavor to the cake. Stir until you get a smooth batter. Next, add some chopped chocolate. You can use milk or semi-sweet chocolate, whichever you prefer. You'll need about 20 grams. Chop it into small pieces, add it to the batter, and give it a gentle mix one last time. And that's it! The batter is ready. Microwave it for about 1 minute, but keep in mind that the time may vary depending on your microwave, so keep an eye on it. Once it's done, set it aside while we make the best part, the crunchy chocolate topping. For the topping, melt about 25 to 30 grams of milk or semi-sweet chocolate in short 30-second intervals to avoid burning it. When the chocolate is completely melted, add your cereal. You can use any crispy cereal you like, rice cereal, cornflakes, or even chocolate cereal balls like the ones I'm using here. The amount depends on how much chocolate you have. Just make sure all the cereal is evenly coated so you get that perfect crunch. Now spread this chocolate cereal mixture on top of your warm cake and you're done. I really recommend eating it while it's still warm. The cake stays soft, the chocolate is melted, and the crunchy topping makes it so good. If you're eating it later, just microwave it again for about 15 to 20 seconds to soften the cake and melt the chocolate again. And that's it for today's recipe. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes.